Award, and apart from it, FAB has also honored our organization Paramount Principal to our worthy principal ma'am with the Dynamic Principal Award 2020.
To dear teachers and my dear little wonders, little angels. They are the morale boosters, and it is a promise that dynamism. How do you bring it to the fore? How do you bring it to onto the platform? Each one of us has that dynamism in us. You have to work for it, and above all, it is always the teamwork. Today, and it comes over a period of actions, the work that you do. Again, my heartfelt gratitude to a team of teachers, because without teachers, you cannot do anything. Their word should be the last word for you. If the teacher has asked you to do this, you have to complete your work, you have to. Again, thank you so much. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, my dear children. And I wish you all the very best. It is always an honor to receive awards and to give awards. And thank you so much. God bless you.